Hey everyone, today we will find out how to set up scupper drainage family, how to adjust it, and how to also edit it without using any parameter. So we will edit the family, wall base family. Continue watching this video and you will find out how to do it. So now we have skylight modeled. We have a 1.5 degree slope, parapet all around, and all we need now is to model some drainage pipes. For that purpose we need to open one of our views. Elevation views. I have already found a scupper drainage family. If you need it, let me know and I can send you. This one. So let's try to adjust it now. Let's move it up. Let's use wireframe. It needs to be lowered down a bit. Actually, it needs to be moved up. Yeah, like this one. Let's use the section box tool again. Drag it this way. And move it down to align with the roof slope. And a bit down by a few millimeters. Yeah, that's it. That should be fine. So now let's adjust the length of the pipe itself, and also at the ground floor we want this pipe to be aligned with external wall face. Let's check if we can change the length of the pipe in the family itself. So we need extra to hit the ground. We need extra 2320 millimeters. Plus 3143.4. So that's the length of the pipe we want. It looks like we cannot change the length much. For some reason, or maybe it needs to be changed here. Let's try. No. No, that doesn't work like that. So we will need to edit a family. And let's change feet to millimeters. Time, speed, length to millimeters as well. Okay. Now by default it's 4325. I think that's what we have as well. Six. Okay, let's make this one. Yes. Let's just create similar. Now it was correctly, and let's move it up. Same length as this one. Here. And we want it to go like that. Yes. And for this family we want to adjust it so it's not going to be the same as this one, because we want this pipe to go along that wall. We will edit a family and save another copy and load it into a project. Let's check. Yeah, now we have two types. And we need to edit this one. So that one stays as it is. Edit family. Create. Set. So let's sweep and sketch a path. As we measured, it should be 3037, then needs to be 3 to 3.8 and straight again. Okay. And the profile is the same as it was. Hundred by 100 or something like that. Let's see how it looks now. Okay. Now let's move it back where it should be. Let's check how it looks now. All we need now is to change the angle a bit. Okay, let's do that. Let's update the sketch path. .48 degrees should be fine, I think. Try now. And a bit lower there. Also looks like it's not aligned with external wall. Okay. Looks like we need to move by 52 millimeters and a bit down there. .52 and a bit down below. Yes, that's much better. Okay, roof light is ready now. Sloped roof as well, and we have 2 rainwater pipes. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you learned something new and that was not too boring. Have a good day and subscribe to my channel, please. That motivates me a lot.